When you think of an orangutan, you might picture a calm, gentle creature swinging gracefully through the trees. But did you know orangutans also have some of the most fascinating and surprising calls in the animal kingdom? Most of the time, orangutans are quiet, spending their days feeding and resting. But when they do raise their voices, it's for an important reason. These calls are not random noises. They are powerful tools of communication. One of the most famous is the long call, a deep booming sound produced mainly by adult males. It can carry for more than a kilometer through the rainforest, letting other orangutans know this territory is taken. Orangutans can also make grunts, smacks, and even soft kiss-squeaks, sounds that express irritation, curiosity, or playfulness. Every call has meaning, from keeping rivals away, to attracting a mate, to communicating with family. It's their voice in the vast, noisy jungle. So now, it's time to hear it for yourself. That was the sound of the orangutan, the voice of the rainforest. Did it surprise you? Let me know in the comments.